8.2 we need to discuss now. Evaluate the following. First part, children, I have left for you all. Rest I have done for you. That was very simple. You will do it on your own, okay? I had asked you all to learn the values from that table. So unless you know those values, this is not possible. And if you know those values, you just need to know how to do your calculations, okay? So first part you will try on your own. I'm taking from the second one. So 2 tan square 45 plus cot square 30 minus sin square 60. You just need to put the values, okay? Tan 45 is 1. I've told you this earlier. Tan square theta means tan theta's values a square. So tan 45 is 1 square. Then cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Square of that. Sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. So square of that. Plus minus exactly the same values. You need not do further calculation. उनका solution भी जो आएगा, at the end of it will get cancelled because those values have opposite signs. So I've cancelled it straight away. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2. Simple enough, okay? Now second expression was cos 45. So value of cos 45 goes 1 upon root 2 upon sec 30. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 1 by 2 होता है. So okay, sorry, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will become 2 upon root 3. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. So its reciprocal cosec 30 will be 2 upon 1. Okay. Okay. Just putting the values. Rest is we have to do our calculation. So here you will take LCM to be able to add this. Denominator common would be root 3. So this will remain as 2. This will become 2 into root 3. Okay. Now this denominator reciprocated will come to the numerator now. So numerator 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon, from these two I have taken that 2 common, children. So you'll be left with 1 plus root 3. Okay. Then we do not leave rational sign in denominator. So we'll multiply it by its conjugate. So conjugate of 1 plus root 3. Rationalizing. Last year class 9 you have done. You'll multiply it by 1 minus root 3 in numerator as well as denominator. Okay. Now this is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b becomes a square, 1 square minus b square. Root 3 is a square. Will make it 3. Root and square cancel out each other. You get the number. Okay. तो ये पूरा factor आपका बन गया 1 minus 3. This 2 where it was, and this is your root 2. Root 2 is also irrational. इसको भी आप rationalize करोगे. So you'll multiply it by another root 2 so that square and root gets cancelled to give you 2. Okay. So root 2 अगर denominator में आपने डाला है, you need to multiply it in the numerator. Equivalent rational number method. Okay. So your numerator becomes this root 3 distributed inside into 1 will make it root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3 here. I hope the steps are clear. Now this root 2 will be distributed inside. So it will become root 3 into root 2. दोनों में root root है तो common root sign आ जाएगा. 3 2s are 6. Root 6. And this will come as 3 root 2. One rational, one irrational written next to each other. Then denominator, this becomes 2. 1 2 was already there. 1 minus 3 will also become minus of 2. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Your denominator becomes 8. Again in denominator we do not leave negative sign. So this negative sign we will adjust in the numerator. This which was negative will become positive. Negative negative positive, and which was positive will become negative. So numerator will become 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8 is your answer. Alright. Simple है. You just need to put the values, and yes, this is where you need to focus a little bit. Too many root signs, तो उसको rationalize करना है and all that. So these calculations you need to focus on. Okay. Then fourth one. Again we'll keep putting the values here. I have not copied the question. I've put the values here, so you'll tally it yourself, children. Okay. So sin 30. Sin 30 is, let me fold this like this. Okay, see it like this now. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60, reciprocal of sin 60, 2 upon root 3. Then denominator you had sec 30, which is again 2 upon root 3, reciprocal of cos 30. Then is cos 60, which is 1 by 2, and then cot 45. Reciprocal of cot, tan is cot, and if tan 45 is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So I have put the values of this expression, right? Now rest is simplifying, for which you will take LCM and all. So numerator में 2, 1, root 3. So if you take LCM, your common denominator will be 2 root 3. ये root 3 times increase हो गया है. This was 1, तो ये पूरा 2 root 3 times increase हो जाएगा, and this will increase 2 times. Root 3 was already there, so 2 2s are 4. That's your numerator and denominator. फिर वैसे यहाँ भी देखो LCM लोगे, what will be your LCM? 2 into root 3. This will increase 2 times, so it will become 4. This will become root 3, and this will increase 2 root 3 times. और जो denominator था 2 root 3 reciprocating will go to the numerator. या आप इसको सीधे ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हो. इफ यू हैव सेम डिनोमिनेटर इन न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर, इट गेट्स कैंसल्ड लाइक दिस. तो शो कर दो, वेल एंड गुड. अदरवाइज आप सीधे ड्रॉप भी कर सकते हो. सो ये लाइक टर्म्स हो गए आपके रूट थ्री लाइक रेडिकल साइंस. सो 1 + 2 3 root 3 -4. लाइकवाइज 3 root 3 एंड +4. अब ये फिर इसको रैशनलाइज करोगे, इसके कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So conjugate of this is exactly what you had in numerator. So numerator actually becomes 3 root 3 - 4's whole square. Same चीज multiply हो रही है. So whole square. So square of 3 root 3. 3 into 3 9. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So 3 9s are 27. Okay. Multiply 3 3s are 9 into another 3 27. Then 4 4s are 16. Then 2ab. minus 2ab. So minus 2 into 3 into 4, that becomes 6 4s are 24 into root 3. Okay. Denominator में again a plus b, a minus b will become a square minus b square. So which becomes a's square if you do. So that becomes 3 root 3 square, which becomes 3 3s are 9, root 3 into root 3 3. So 9 3s are 27, and minus 4 in square, that is 16. Okay, so a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, calculation अगर आपको अच्छे से आते हैं already of your radical signs and all, it is not difficult. Okay, but that is what is important here. So 27 minus 16 becomes 11, and this becomes your answer. Okay. Next is likewise we'll put the values here, children, for the next one. 5 cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. 4 times sec 30. Reciprocal of cos 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Denominator sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is a square. Okay. So all these values I have put here. Now simplifying it. Opening the squares. 1 by 2 square becomes 1 by 4. This becomes 4 upon 3. 1 square is 1. 1 by 4, 4 by 3. Same denominator, you can add it straight away. 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. That becomes 1. Okay. Here you'll have to take LCM, 3 and 4. LCM will be 12. This will increase 3 times. 3 5s are 15. This was already 4 4s are 16. And another 4 times increase becomes 64. And this increases 12 times. Okay. Plus minus karke you can check. That's your answer, 67 upon 12. Okay. Right, that was your question number 1. Now question number 2. They are also simple calculation problems, so I've solved it here itself in the book only. Okay. 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now these values you have to learn thoroughly, children, otherwise this whole exercise goes. Okay, so 2 upon root 3, and here this becomes 1 upon root 3 is a square, which becomes 1 upon 3. Root square becomes the number itself. Taking LCM, that becomes 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. के, तो ये 4/3 उल्टा कर दिया यहाँ, 3/4 डिवाइडिंग बाय एनी रैशनल नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय इट्स रेसिप्रोकल and this number becomes 2/√3. Then √3 is cancelling out this 3 to give you a root sign here, and 2 is cancelling this 4 to give you 2. So what are you left with at the end? √3/2. So आपका ये multiple choice था. There were so many choices out here. So √3/2 is, if you've learned your values thoroughly, you know sine 60 is √3/2. So A is your right option here. Okay. Then second, 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. So 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square. So this becomes 1 minus 1, which is 0. 1 plus 1, which is 2, which is equal to 0. So that's your right option. Then sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true for which value of a? तो इसको आप substitution से कर सकते हो. If you put a as 0, then sin 2 into 0 becomes sin 0, which is 0. And this becomes sine of 0, which is 0. So 0 into 2 is also 0. So ये तो true बना रहा है. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. बाकी किसी भी value के अगर आप करोगे, this will become, if you put a as 60, this becomes 30, sorry. This becomes sine 60. Sine 60 is √3/2. Then this is sine 30, which is 1/2. So 2 into 1/2 becomes 1. So 1 is not equal to √3/2. तो ऐसे आप बाकियों को भी चेक करोगे तो कोई वैल्यू और सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगी अदर देन 0. Okay. Then next is your 3 tan 30 is 1/√3 upon 1 minus 1/√3 square it will become, which becomes 1 minus 1/3. So this becomes 2/√3. 2/√3 into इसका LCM लेके reciprocate कर दोगे, 3 minus 1, which becomes 2, and this √3 will go to the numerator. So √3 will give you a √3 here. Cancel हो जाएगा √3. 2 and 2 cancel हो गया, so only √3. And √3 is value of tan 60. Okay. So if you have learned your values thoroughly, children, then this is not a problem at all, this exercise. Okay. And it's a very easy scoring exercise. So calculation you have to master a little bit and learn these values. Okay. So please do that. Okay. Now next question number 3 out here is giving you that tan of a plus b is √3. तो ये √3 by now, √3 को देखते ही स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए कि ये tan 60 की वैल्यू है, और यहाँ tan था तो यहाँ भी tan लाओगे. Why? Because you've done that result. हमने आगे की एक्सरसाइज में किया था, इफ cos a is equal to cos b, then a is equal to b. cos cos बैलेंस हो जाता है. इफ sin a is equal to sin b, then a is equal to b. So likewise, if tan of x is equal to tan of y, tan cancel कहो या जो भी कहो, x is equal to y आ जाता है सीधे. Okay. So that's exactly what we are using here. So we were given tan of a plus b is √3. √3 we'll write as tan 60. We know value of tan 60 is √3. So this √3 has been replaced by tan 60. So tan balances and the angles become equal. That means a plus b is equal to 60, first equation. Likewise, you were given tan of a minus b is equal to 1/√3. Tan a minus b, 1/√3 is value of tan 30. Again, balancing, a minus b is equal to 30. So these are your two equations now. A plus b is 60, a minus b is 30. इनको simultaneously solve कर लो. You know how to solve equations simultaneously in two variables. So here I've done it by elimination method, adding the equations. If I add 1 plus 2, a plus a becomes 2a, plus b minus b gets cancelled. 60 plus 30 is 90. So 2a is equal to 90. Adding these two equations. So a is equal to 90/2, that is 45. Put this 45 in any one of the equations, say in 1. So 45 plus b is equal to 60. 45 उधर जाएगा, minus हो जाएगा. So b is equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15. Okay. So that is your answer. You had to find your a's and b's like that. Okay. Now the last question is just true and false. We can discuss it here itself. So state whether they are true or false and why. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a sine b is absolutely false, because we've seen that this means finding sine of this whole angle. ये multiplication नहीं होता है ये. Okay, उस दिन हमने last exercise में करा था कि cot a does not mean cot into a. तो अगर ये into होता तब तो ये अंदर distribute होता था. Otherwise it will not. Okay, so this is absolutely wrong. Never take sine of a plus b as sine multiplied inside like this, sine a plus sine b. That's a false statement. Now value of sine theta increases as theta increases is true. आपने वैल्यू याद कर ली है, टेबल में देख लिया है. 0 होता है, फिर it goes on increasing to sin 90 is 1. So that is true. As theta increases, sin's value will also increase. Value of cos theta increases as theta increases. No. You've seen the table. इसका उल्टा होता है, ये इसका पूरा value goes in reverse order of sine. So as theta increases, value decreases. Sine 0 is 1, sine 90 is 0. तो उल्टा होता है cos में, okay? It decreases. Sine 30 is equal to sine theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. टेबल से क्वाइट क्लियर है कि इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर ऑल वैल्यूज. सारी वैल्यूज के लिए साइन की और की वैल्यू सेम नहीं होती है. किस वैल्यू के लिए होती है? देयर इज ओनली वन वैल्यू, दैट इज 45. साइन 45 इज इक्वल टू कॉस 45 विच इज 1/√2. बाकी सब एंगल्स अलग तो वैल्यू अलग. कॉट ए इज नॉट डिफाइंड फॉर ए इज इक्वल टू 0. That is true because cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan 0 will be 0. So cot अगर उसका उल्टा है तो वो 0 का reciprocal क्या होता है? Not defined. So cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Okay, so these are your answers.